Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be exploring AlphaOS testnet on Mises browser. This AlphaOS is an AI project that you can mine points currently, and also it can help you research tokens that you can buy on Solana network. All right, more like a Solana degen project that can help you research coins that you can buy on. Now, in order for you to run this, you are going to need a crypto wallet. Using Mises browser, make sure that you have installed a Phantom wallet or a MetaMask wallet on your Mises browser. To do that, just go to the Chrome web store, search for Phantom or MetaMask. Once you search for it, install it, and then import your wallet into it. It is easy to do. And once that is imported, you can return to the AlphaOS website in order for you to start the testnet. Okay, click the link in the description of this video to start. So once you are on the AlphaOS website, you're going to click on join now at the top. Now, in order for you to join the AlphaOS, you can register using either your email or you can simply just connect a wallet. All right, you can use any one you like, either through your email or simply by connecting wallet. If you register your email, later on after your registration, you can connect wallet. Meanwhile, or if you register with your wallet, later on you can connect your email. So I'm going to use connect wallet to register. And then I'm going to use my Phantom since I want to connect my Solana wallet to it. Okay, so once my Phantom wallet loads, then okay, I have already imported a wallet to my Phantom wallet on the Mises browser. Okay, like I've shown you before, just go to Chrome web store and install any wallet extension you want to use. If you want to use MetaMask, install the MetaMask wallet extension. If you want to use Phantom, install the Phantom wallet extension. Okay, so I will put in my password now and proceed. Okay, so my wallet has been unlocked. Then I will connect my wallet to it. This is the first connection. And then the second one is going to ask me to sign and confirm the message, the sign in. All right, so that is done. Now you can copy your link to invite all friends, copy your link to share with friends and others that you want to invite to it. But first of all, let me show you what you need to do to gain points on this testnet. Okay, so now one other important thing you need to do is the mining. Okay, now you need to click, even you click on try now, it will require you to install their extension on your browser so that you can be mining points when you are not active. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to come to this mining rewards, click on try it now. It will require you to download their browser extension on your mobile. Remember, you can do this with your phone, you can do it with a laptop. Okay, I am doing it with my phone. If you want to do it with your phone, use Mises browser. I'll click on download browser extension. It will take me to Chrome web store again in order for me to download the AlphaOS extension. It will help you to accumulate points on the testnet. So I'm going to click on add to Chrome. Wait for that to load. Click on add to Chrome. Okay. And now it is installed. You can see that the AlphaOS extension has been installed in my Chrome, in my browser, in my Mises browser. The next thing I'm going to do is to return to the AlphaOS.net website. All right. Now that you have installed the AlphaOS extension, we are going to complete our registration. Okay. First thing we're going to do is to scroll down. When you scroll down to the bottom here, you're going to see some reward. Connect your X, connect your Telegram, connect your email, and then these are the three things that you need to do, the three basics that you need to do. So first of all, let me connect my email. And then you can enter your email address here. Now, after connecting your email, once you connect your email and your wallet, if you registered with your email, come here to connect your wallet. If you register with your wallet, come here to connect your email. Okay. Once that is done, now you can start the mining. Then maybe later on you can complete the Connect X and Connect Telegram. Remember how to do that? Simply just click on this extension icon at the top here. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on the extension AlphaOS. This is the AlphaOS extension that we installed. All right. Once you click on AlphaOS, wait for it to load, and then you need to click on the hammer icon at the top here. This hammer icon, this way you're going to click to start the mining. Once I click on it, then you can see the points that I've gotten already. 100 is from registration and 10 is from collecting my email. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on start mining. Okay, start mining at the bottom here. Once I start mining, activate the automated earning. Then you can activate the automated mining so that the mining will happen at the background of your browser. You don't need to be opening it every day, every time to mine. Just let it run on your background and it will mine for you. Okay. So every point you get will be accumulated here, and then you can always click on claim in order for you to claim your points. Okay. Once this is running, you can close it. Once that is running, you can close it, and the mining will keep happening on the background. From your dashboard here, you can always claim whatever you have mined through this claim button here. You can see this claim button here. Everything you mine will show here, and you can claim it. Okay. So at any point in time, to check if your mining is still working at the background, click on the extension icon, click on AlphaOS, wait for it to load, and it will show you if you are still mining. You can see it is still mining at the background. This is basically all you have to do. Now, one more important thing you need to do, one daily task that you need to do, is to remember that at the beginning I told you that this AlphaOS, their AI bot can actually give you coins that you can buy, give you trading signals. Okay. In order for you to get that trading signal, you also need to click on point. You see this point at the top here? This point here, this place you see point here. Once you click on it, then you can see chat with AI to earn. Once you click on chat with AI, you will earn 10 points. But that is not all. Once it loads, AI will give you a trading signal. It will give you a coin that you can buy, tell you everything about that coin, where you can buy it, how much it's selling for, just everything about a coin. That is what the AI recommendation will tell you. Okay. So I am not a robot. Recommended meme coins, and this is Blue has some recommended meme coins based on the provided data. So you can always ask it any question that you like. You can see network is the token is linked under Solana. The price is 0.1. Price change in the last 5 minutes 3.1%. The valuation is 10.8 million, and so many others. Once it is done, you can decide to buy. Understand? You can decide to buy more if you want to buy. And if you also want to trade with their AI, simply click on the point, and then you can see trade with AI to earn. So you can also trade with AI on their platform to earn and accumulate more points. Remember that the more points you accumulate on this testnet, the more token you're probably going to get when they finally launch. Okay. Try using AI to trade, and you will get a 50-point bonus when your first transaction reaches $100. So the more trade volume you accumulate here, the more points you are going to get. But as I have said earlier, the most important thing for you to do is to always come to the extension, click on their AlphaOS, and then go to the mining section so that you can earn as much token as possible. You can see that the mining will keep happening on the background. Okay, the mining will keep happening on the background, and also from this their extension, you can view recommended meme coins. You can buy any token of your choice. Just type the name of the token and they will give you the chart to check it out, and the buy option. View all token assets in your wallet. When you click on view all token assets in your wallet, you will see all the assets that you have in your wallet. All right. It is easy to do. Just give it a try. Follow the instructions that I've shown here. Register using the link in the description of this video, and then connect your wallet, connect your email, your Twitter, and your Telegram. That is all that you need to do. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until next time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.